Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the alphabet from A to Z. Get ready for some fun learning. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for giraffe. H. H for hat. I for ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for orange. P. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rainbow. S. S for Sunday. T. T for turtle. U. U for umbrella. V. V for volcano. W. W for whale. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yellow. Z. Z for zebra. Great job, little learners. Keep practicing and having fun with the alphabet. See you next time.